This rider decides to crank it up a notch, but as his speed climbs, his front tire likely lifts. And with no steering dampener, he's thrown into a seriously dangerous speed wobble. While riding with some friends on a set of twisty rural roads, this rider learns firsthand why keeping a safe distance is so important, especially when everyone's charging through corners.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Okay.
Sí. Sí.
Next up, we've got a group of riders cruising their usual route, until an older man on the roadside, likely a nearby resident, starts spraying them with water. When this rider realizes his friends are no longer behind him, he turns back to check, and things quickly escalate.
You're a cocksucker. Don't get in that turn. You're shit. Oh, because you're a cocksucker. You're a cocksucker. Moto, get away, Moto. Don't get in trouble. Stop. Stop. Take pictures. Take pictures. Asshole. Take pictures. Get off him, Moto. I got him. I got him.
I can't, he won't let me go.
Fucking drunk ass. My wife is why did you do it?
Yeah? Hey!
As you saw during the altercation, the man takes it too far, hitting the rider, grabbing onto him, and even ripping out his mic. Luckily, the riders step in and restrain him before things escalate any further. During a night ride, things take a wild turn when a girl suddenly sprints across the road, right into the rider's path. What's wild is the guy she was with doesn't even flinch. She just takes off on her own like it's nothing. Pulling up to a light, you'd think everything would be pretty chill, as this rider admires the Corvette beside him. But what he doesn't know is the driver's not a fan of lane splitting, and out of nowhere, he starts freaking out on the rider.
Quit splitting lanes. Last year, gas over here hit my fucking rear. Okay?
Let me turn off my music real quick, hold up.
Split lanes.
Say that again?
You split lanes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't do it.
You could do it.
What?
You could do it.
No.
Hey, buddy. Hey, sir, we live in California, you know that, right?
You read the motorcycle law handbook.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, sir, back in 1980, possibly, but we live in 2018.
Listen,
So,
don't argue with me.
sir, go. You're telling me, sir. Go on Google, go on the laws.
You got a lane to drive that car.
Sir, you should know better. I mean, I should know better. I'm the one on a motorcycle.
All Orientals want to argue. That's all they want to do.
That's funny.
Not diplomatic with you. You ain't diplomatic on this shit. Read where you're supposed to drive the car. One thing.
And finally, this rider comes in a little too straight on an upcoming corner, nearly sliding out or hitting the barrier. Luckily, he manages to scrub enough speed to stay upright.